Good morning all of you. Today we are going to discussing about objective type questions related to NTPC एग्ज़ाम्स. रिसेंटली जो रेलवे के एग्ज़ाम्स में क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा रहे हैं हमने वही क्वेश्चंस को लिए हैं, तो इस वीडियो को आप लास्ट तक देखें. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस क्वेश्चंस. नाबार्ड इज़ एन एपेक्स इंस्टीट्यूशंस टू फाइनेंस सेक्टर्स. आंसर एग्रीकल्चर. Next, TRISEM was started by Government of India in the year 1979. Full form of TRISEM, Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment. Next, Employment Guarantee Schemes was started in the year 1972 in the state. Answer Maharashtra. Next, land reforms leads to maximum welfare of the. Answer farmers. The theory of demographic transitions was given by. Answer Cole Hoover. High yielding variety seeds were introduced for revolutions. Answer green revolutions. Green revolutions was introduced in the year 1967 in an apex institutions of the banking sectors. Answer RBI. In insurance sectors, FDI is allowed up to. Answer 74%. LPG liberalizations, privatizations, globalization policy was started in the year. Answer 1991. NABARD was established in the year. Answer 1982. At present, the investment limit for micro enterprises is up to lakhs. Answer is 25 to 1 crore. 25 lakh to 1 crore. Next, SIDBI was established in the year. Answer is 1990. Next, Regional Rural Bank were established in year 1975. Public distribution system is handled by. Answer FCI, Food Corporations of India. Unemployment is the situation in which people in age group of year are able and willing to work but unable to get job. Answer 15 to 59 years. The sale of equity in public sector enterprises is called as disinvestment. According to theory of demographic transitions, there are stages. Answer there are 3 stages. Deprivations of basic needs of people living in villages is called as rural poverty. Now government allows percent FDI in SEZ, says special economic zone. Answer is 74%. According to census 2011, the density of population was persons per square kilometer. Answer 382 kilometers. Lack of purchasing power to buy even basic necessities of life is called as. Answer absolute poverty. The concept of vicious circle of poverty was given by Ragnar Nux.